Caroma continues to lead the way in bathroom innovation with the introduction of the next generation in orbital technology, the Uni-Orbital Connector. Combining the functionality of a standard uni-connector with the adjustability of patented orbital technology, the Caroma Uni-Orbital Connector provides plumbers with the flexibility to solve many wall-faced pan installation challenges. It can also allow wall-face suites to be installed where it would otherwise not be possible due to plumbing restrictions. The standard Uni-Orbital Connector provides an inline adjustment with the flexibility to adjust to any position within a 50mm radius and is simple to install. The connector is cut to size, then pushed into the waste pipe. There is no need for a pan collar, saving time and money. The fixing plate of the Uni-Orbital Connector features multiple holes, providing flexibility for fixing locations. The standard Uni-Orbital Connector is compatible with wall-faced suites such as Cube, Leader, Metro, Opal, Sterling and Sado. The compact Uni-Orbital Connector has been specifically designed for Caroma's new wall-faced suites. These pans have a shorter projection and have a flexible set-out range and an adjustment of up to 50mm radius. No cutting or assembly is needed. Simply adjust to the required set-out, push into the waste pipe and secure to the wall. The compact Uni-Orbital Connector is standard with the Caroma Liano, Urbane and Contura wall-face suites. These toilet suites maximise bathroom space through minimal pan projections. Both versions of the Uni-Orbital Connector feature large trap throughways in all configurations. This reduces the risk of siphonage and ensures efficient flush performance. Radial adjustment means that the toilet suite can be centred to an in-wall cistern, buttons, flush pipes, aligned to tiles or moved to improve the configuration of the space. It has an added benefit of installing a wall-faced suite clear from any obstacles, such as a stop tap or isolation valve. The Uni-Orbital is watermark approved and only available with Caroma suites. It exceeds the Australian standard for pressure testing as part of Caroma's Australian Engineering and Quality Assurance Guarantee. The Caroma Uni-Orbital Connector, designed for a more flexible installation and making the plumber's life easier.